the King of Kings. On your knees, dog. All hail. Bow down to the King. Bow down to the King in red as he walked from the place where the traitor lost both his name and his face. Through the halls and the corridors, stinking in blood, he tasted his grin, and it tasted good. The king took its head, the king took its head, left him broken, took its head, the king took its head. Bow down to the king, 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 bow down to the king. Bow down to the king, left none living, unable to tell. The king took their heads and he sent them to hell.